Are you considering selling your North Alabama home in 2026? Before you put up that for sale sign, there are a few critical market shifts you need to understand. I'm Allie Wright, team lead at Amanda Howard Sotheby's International Realty, and today I'm breaking down exactly what's happening in the North Alabama housing market, what's changing for sellers, and what you need to do right now to protect your listing price, your timeline, and your bottom line. So what's really happening in the North Alabama market? Let's start with the big picture. North Alabama, particularly areas like Huntsville, Madison, Athens, and Decatur, remains one of the strongest real estate markets in the Southeast. But the market is rebalancing. As we move into 2026, here's what we're seeing. Inventory is increasing. Buyers are being more cautious. Homes are taking longer to sell than they did during the early 2020s frenzy, and pricing strategy matters more now than ever. Homes are still selling, but it's the homes that are priced correctly, properly prepared, and strategically marketed. The question I get asked the most is whether it's still a seller's market. The short answer is yes. North Alabama is still seller-friendly, but it's no longer automatic. In 2021 and 2022, homes sold simply because they were available. Throughout 2025 and moving into 2026, homes are selling because they're strategically positioned. Buyers today have more choices, more negotiating power, and higher expectations. That means sellers have to earn top dollar. It's no longer guaranteed. One of the biggest mistakes we're seeing right now is overpricing at launch. Many homeowners are still pricing their homes based on peak markets, and it's causing their listings to sit, get reduced, or even expire. In today's market, the first 14 days matter more than ever. Buyers are watching prices closely, and price reductions often cost sellers far more than pricing correctly from the start. Strategic pricing creates action. Overpricing creates hesitation. Next, let's talk about home condition and presentation. In the 2026 market, buyers are no longer willing to overlook condition issues. The homes that sell fastest are clean, updated where it matters, professionally staged, and thoughtfully styled. This doesn't mean you need a full renovation, but presentation is no longer optional. Even the best-looking home won't sell itself. That's where marketing comes in. If your marketing plan begins and ends with the MLS, you're already behind. In today's North Alabama market, successful listings need more. They need professional photography and video, strong digital and social media exposure, targeted buyer outreach, and a true launch strategy behind a listing date. The homes that stand out are the ones that are launched, not just listed. Now that we've covered condition, presentation, and marketing, let's talk about what you should do before your home hits the market. If you're thinking about selling in 2026, here's what I'd recommend. Get a true market analysis, not just an online estimate. Understand buyer expectations in your specific neighborhood. Prepare your home strategically, not emotionally. And lastly, work with an advisor, not just a salesperson. Because in today's market, preparation is what separates sellers who are chasing the market from those who are leading it. Here's the truth. North Alabama is still an incredible place to sell. But in 2026, success will reward strategy over shortcuts. The sellers who win in this market are the ones who price with intention, prepare with purpose, and market with precision. If you want top dollar, smooth negotiations, and a confident selling experience, it all starts with the right plan. If you're considering selling your home in North Alabama, I'd love to help you understand what your home is really worth and what it would take to sell successfully in today's market. Reach out to my team at Amanda Howard Sotheby's International Realty for a personalized home value and selling strategy. This is Allie Wright, helping you find your place in North Alabama. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.